Welcome to Heritage Lake, located in Coatesville, Indiana, just a short 1 hour west of Indianapolis. Prepare to fall in love with this fully renovated lake home with 2 primary suites, offering one of the most stunning views of the lake. You'll fall in love with the open floor plan, highlighted by a spacious great room featuring charming beadboard ceilings that continue seamlessly into the kitchen, enhancing the lake house vibe. The fully remodeled kitchen is a standout, featuring a large center island with a sink, quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and a wet bar area with a second sink and dishwasher, perfect for entertaining. The dining room and sunroom offer breathtaking panoramic views of the lake, while the wraparound deck on the lakeside is ideal for outdoor gatherings. To complete the picture, the home offers stunning sunset views, making this a truly exceptional lakeside escape. The great room also boasts a cozy fireplace, surrounded by built-in bookshelves, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The main level primary suite is thoughtfully designed, making it an ideal option for having everything you need on one level. From this suite, you can walk straight out to your boat dock for a quick cruise around the lake or to take in one of many lake concerts. From there, walk out to the expansive yard, providing plenty of space for your family, friends, and pets to enjoy. You will appreciate the ease of no stairs from the house to the boat dock, which is equipped with a moisture shield and heat-resistant cool deck technology for comfort and durability. Upstairs, a second primary suite serves as a private retreat with its own 27 by 14 deck overlooking the lake. Upstairs can also be closed off from the rest of the home, offering a serene, secluded space. The suite includes a luxurious master bathroom with heated floors for ultimate comfort. For more information on this home or Heritage Lake, please contact me at 317-370-5509 or mary@teampetruzzi.com. Start living your best life at Heritage Lake today.